What do you think depression looks like? Like many others, you may think of people who are not happy and look sad. But the reality is, there are many forms of depression. The American Psychiatric Association lists different presentations of depression, each with specific symptoms. Hidden or concealed depression is one of them. In this episode we will talk about it. But before we continue, remember, this video should not be used as a measure for diagnosis. It is only meant for education purposes. If you have a doubt, visit a mental health professional. Here are 7 things hidden depression make you do. Number 1. You experience intense emotions. Many people often assume people with depression are always sad and upset. That's not the case. People with depression may also express how they feel in anger or irritability, which may come from frustration, with the need to put a good impression for others to see, or from confusion, due to overwhelming emotions they experience. Number 2. You struggle to express painful emotions. Some people with hidden depression may avoid or stand in denial of their feelings. Instead, they choose to distract themselves to divert the mind elsewhere. According to Dr. Margaret Rutherford, people find it difficult and struggle to express how they feel because they avoid their emotions oftenly. Number 3. Loss of interest in previously pleasurable activities. If you suddenly lose interest in previously pleasurable activity, that could be another sign of depression. Depression is physically draining. It can make it difficult to find motivation, even in things you previously loved. Number 4. You become self-critical. Perfectionism can get the best of anyone. But those struggling with depression may take it to an extreme level. With the need to perfect on everything, this could cause excessive self-imposed pressure, which when missed or not met, could lead to feelings of shame, which might end up engulfing them, making them unable to do even simple activities, or pursue relationships. Number 5. You become obsessed with philosophy and purpose. Have you ever wondered what life means? Sometimes, being depressed can make someone feel lost, like you are just floating through life without direction. This might lead you to questioning what you are living for. This questions could make you too introspective, and might make you dive into big question studies and philosophies, to help you understand the meaning and purpose of your life. Number 6. You cry for help, then cover up with excuses. People who hide their depression often hide what they feel, since they might struggle to admit that they have a problem. However, sometimes this feeling becomes overwhelming much that they reach out for help. Unfortunately, like many others, you would realize that asking for help equals to admitting you are depressed, which is an extreme realization. So, instead you pull off yourself from the help you requested for. Number 7. You struggle with intimacy. Similarly, with the previous points, feelings associated with care and intimacy may also be difficult for a depressed person. If you are hiding depression, the vulnerability that is associated with intimacy may be difficult for you to express. While you may find it easy to care for others, it can become much more overwhelming and tense when it comes to yourself and the relationships you have. You may be fearing to share your deepest feelings and emotions, for the fear of having someone invalidate your feelings and proving your worst fears correct. Lastly, having depression could make you sort your feeling into boxes and push them away to deal with them later, or even never attend to them. By locking this negative feeling, you avoid chances of addressing pain or sadness associated with them. While this might bring temporary relief, it may also build up and become overwhelming later. Did you learn something new on depression? Share in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with those it might benefit. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.